My name is Ryan Turner, and I am a personal injury attorney here in Kentucky. My favorite kind of case are the kinds of cases the insurance companies hate. Those are the cases that I usually have to end up taking to trial. When I encounter these cases, if I have a truly worthy client, someone who I know is telling me the truth, I know that no matter what we get hit with, all these excuses, at the end of the day, we're going to take the truth to the jury. And if you have the truth, in my experience, you usually don't lose. One case that I will probably never forget, I had the great honor of representing a little grandmother from southeastern Kentucky, someone that was absolutely precious, had always played by the rules her entire life, and had never, ever been involved in any type of personal injury case. And she was unfortunate enough to have been involved in one, in a very minor car accident. And she had a very rare injury, maybe the third such injury that had ever been reported. Several attorneys have been through this case, and they decided, this is too difficult, and we don't know if we believe you. So she came to me and was very distraught. So we took the case, we worked it up, we got it ready for trial, and one of the toughest insurance companies in the nation, they offer her a good settlement. And I presented her that settlement, and it was my recommendation that a jury would have given her way more. In fact, I did not want her to take this settlement because I knew we were winning, and I knew that if she would allow us to go a little bit further, we could really, really knock this one out of the park. And I'll never forget it. She said, it's not about the money. I just wanted somebody to believe me. I just wanted to be vindicated, and I will never forget that. We want to talk to people. We encourage people to call us who have been through some sort of accident and they don't get better. If they don't get better, they need to talk to an attorney because they only have one remedy, and it's potentially a jury trial, and that's not something to take lightly. So it makes sense to at least talk to someone like us. There's no risk associated with it. When we started this firm, we were keenly aware of all the baggage associated with personal injury firms. It's become a big business. It's become almost used car salesman-like in the advertisements. And the thing that you will notice, we have noticed about a lot of these firms that advertise heavily, is they're not trying cases, and when they do, they lose. We are old school. We believe that in order to get someone the best result in a personal injury case, we have to be able to, we have to be prepared to try that case in front of a jury, because that is the only way you ever get any justice with an insurance company. With a multinational corporation that has superior resources, they don't respond to simple letters and threats. They respond to a skilled litigation team that has a track record of trying and winning cases. So at our firm, we really pride ourselves in getting into the detail of the case, of uncovering all the facts, and putting that case together for trial. Because in doing that, we find that that is how the best resolutions in these cases are reached. And if we do have to try the case, we will be more than happy to do that. We love trying cases. Many go into the business of defending insurance companies. I have many friends that do, and I don't hold that against them. But I did not feel that that was my calling. I wanted to represent people who needed an honest broker in a real time of need.